This is that pulley from the air compressor pump that I picked up a few days ago. I guess it's instant yard art. Can't hardly use this for any other purpose because it does have a tapered bore. It was easy to get off the crank, but that's about as much as I can say on that. Anyway, it can stay there until I figure out something to do with it. And here's my pretzel. Thanks, Georgie, for bringing that up. Haven't figured out anything on that yet. But what I did want to show is the two tanks that I got a few days ago. I showed that this tank, I already cut the opening. Well, the tank that my brother brought up, I went ahead and cut open a opening for that. Still waiting for materials for the smokestacks. And what I did with the doors I cut out, I ended up making another bird creation. But this time, I decided to use both doors on the same creation rather than what I usually do is just use one. Plasma cut on the back to make it look like feathers and give it some type of design. Decided to make this one a little different by using two sewer snake for the neck, and of course a smashed piece of tubing for the beak, and just opened it up with a cutoff wheel. The legs turned out real neat. I didn't even have to bend them. This was from a chair leg or a small table leg. All I did was cut off little pads that end up being the right height. I don't know why, but I decided to put stainless cable inside that spring. Something different. But anyway, that's what I've been doing. This one's a pretty tall bird as well. I guess this is my birthing table for the birds I make. I made this back up in 1993. Had opportunity to get some nice half-inch thick plate, and I purposely let it overhang because it's a great clamping device to keep something straight while welding it, or a lot of times I do my birds, clamp them down so they don't tip over on me, because that's about 32 inches, I guess, off the floor. And imagine if the bird tipped over and the beak would be a lethal weapon to get impaled on. Anyway, that's about it. Once again, thank you for watching.